In this simple and quick video, I will show you how to withdraw from Cashbox to your Palmpay. As you can see, the first step is to open up your Palmpay account like this on the application, and then this is how it looks like at the interface. So what you do is to come and tap on the invest section over here. Okay, as you can see in the dashboard over here, from home to loan to invest over there. So you tap on invest. When you tap on invest, it will look like this. So when you come there, what you do is tap on Cashbox over here. Okay, when you tap on Cashbox, it will open up like this. Okay, so when it opens up the Cashbox, come and tap on withdraw section over here, and when you tap on withdraw, it will open up like this. And now put in the amount of money that you want to withdraw. For my case, I'll withdraw $50 and it will look like this. So after doing that, just tap on next, and then when you tap on next, you just put in your pin and it will successfully go to your Palmpay. And that's it, guys. So guys, thanks for watching. Ensure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.